Financial habits I'll still do in 2023. Unang-una, I will still spend less than what I earn. Expert ako dyan. Just basically living below my means. And this is a practice that you can do next year because it is what has worked for me. Kaya ako na-achieve yung iba kong travel goals, big expenses, and also building my sinking funds. Siyempre, gagawin ko pa rin siya next year because I plan to diversify my money, and spending less and spending on what is needed and just a little basic entertainment will allow me to save up more money so I can put it in other investment vehicles that will make my money work for me. My rule is if I can't buy it 3 times, then I probably can't afford it this time. Number 2, I'll still use a credit card and pay it in full every single time. Using a credit card has taught me to be more disciplined in terms of what I spend. And I find na when I use a credit card, I can easily track my spending. So I'll still do it next year. Plus, I heard points are very useful. And lastly, money affirmations. That every time I earn money, I am thankful. And every time I spend money, I am more thankful. Because I know that money has its way of coming back to me.